Pinger from the Amazing Digital Circus. It's the chess guy. So circles, right? So a stencil or a cup or a compass or something might help you get his eyes like perfectly circular if you're a stickler for that kind of thing. So I'm on a landscape page, pencil eraser for these hip pose if I go too fast. The center point is about here, his head will be in the top half. And we'll come up and start with those eyes of his, right? And we're going to try a circle. Curve it around like so. Right, so then inside there we have his iris and his pupil. So you do 2 more circles inside as best you can. And then his pupil, black circle inside there. Okay. Right, so then his other eye is like not beside it, it's down a bit. Okay. And then 2 more circles inside there. And we try and make them the same size. Okay, it's okay if they're like not perfect because he is kind of like a goofy looking character anyway. Right. So head up to here. And then like a line that like curves across this way. And then it goes up across there. And then we have the top of this crown sort of chess piece thing. And then there's a cross on it, like a literal Christian cross, like. Like so. And then his head comes down this way. Down the side here. And then he has a couple of levels. So a couple of lines like for his mouth and sort of those details on the chess piece that is his head. And then we keep going down. This is his mouth area. Like so. And then the next one. Down. And then he's got like a big like royal robe. So comes out from behind here. And I guess it should be like a little bit furry. Just a few extra little fur spikes and stuff on it. And on this side as well. It goes in behind. Like so. And his body's pretty straightforward, so it's just like this long sort of thing. Purple robe. And then his hands, cartoonish, sort of floating type hands, right? So we got a curved line here for the wrist. And the top of the hand sort of floating here. And then we got like his thumb. Cartoony type round fingers. Not too detailed, which is easier for us. And they do have those little sort of circles on the knuckle part there. And then we just do another hand slightly lower down in this picture. And he only has 4 fingers. Like that. So the hardest part is probably the eyes. But that's it. Kinger. Amazing Digital Circus. Hope it's helpful. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.